Does your voice shake when you get nervous, or you just blanked out, or you just start speaking too fast due to nervousness? No worries. So, let me tell you my story. There was a talk at my college, and this was my first time facing such a huge crowd because I am coming from different state and I have not that kind of knowledge of the other state. So I was not that much confident about speaking and to facing the people, but wanna overcome fear. So when I was giving my speech, I was shaking so much, and my hands was shaking, my legs was shaking, and my voice was fumbling. But thankfully I was behind the podium, and that's why no one saw my shaking legs. So basically what I'm trying to convey through this story is that everyone having the same fear, everyone feeling the same kind of nervousness while on the stage, but this is the time you need to overcome that fear. You need to face this kind of uncomfortable situations again and again so that you can get the better version of yourself. And believe me, this is the crucial time for learning this kind of skill, because nowadays everyone want this kind of skills in each and every field. So this is really really crucial to learn this kind of skills, and you can learn these things only just facing these uncomfortable situations again and again. Okay, so we tackled the problem. Now, what are the practical solutions for overcoming the stage fear? So, here are the practical solutions that definitely helpful to you guys. So, speak with pause, go slow. This shows the confidence, and the listener will also eager to listen what you are about to say. So this is something which you need to learn while you're speaking in front of anyone. Number 2, if your voice shake, what must be shaking? Your body? You, right? Why do you shake? Nervousness? But the main physiological reason why we shake is due to the excess of adrenaline which produces our body when we get nervous. That's why when the speaker goes onto the stage, they start to pace a lot because they are trying to get rid of the adrenaline. So instead of going with shaking voice and pacing, get rid of the adrenaline back on the stage. Go for really brisk walk for 3 to 5 minutes, or do some push-ups, or do some physical exercise which helps to reduce the adrenaline from your body. Number 3, start facing this same situation again and again. I totally agree. In starting, it is very difficult, but believe me on this. If you do this, you're gonna see a huge result. Hope all these will help you. Try this because all these are tested and proven. And do let me in the comments where you applied all these tips.